Hello students, today we are going to discuss about circle and area of the circle and circumference of a circle. Okay, in exercise 11.3. So let us see what is given in first question. Find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. So here radius are given and we have to find out circumference. So what is the formula for circumference of any circle? That is 2 pi r, where pi is a known quantity, which means 22 by 7, and sometimes it is equals to 3.14. Okay, and r is the radius. So see, radius is given, pi how much we have to take, it is already mentioned in the question, 22 by 7. So here 2 pi into r, after solving this value we are getting 88 centimeters. So this is the circumference of a circle. So this is how you have to complete question number 1. Now after that we have to see question number 2. So see what is given in question number 2. Find the area of a circle given that. Okay, in first question we have to find out circumference. In second question we have to find out area of a circle. So what is area of a circle? Area of a circle is pi r square. Okay, or we can say pi into r, 2 times r, that is r square. So again pi value is known, that is 22 by 7. So see, for first option 14 mm. So here pi into r square means 2 times r, so 14 into 14. After placing all the values in pi r square, we are getting 616 millimeter square. So that is the area of a given circle. So this is how you can solve question number 1 and question number 2. Now let us see what is given in question number 3. So see, this is our question number 3. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of the same sheet. Take pi 22 by 7. Okay. So what is the formula for circumference? That is 2 pi r, which is already given 154. So we can compare 2 pi r with 154 because both are same. So here 2 pi r is an unknown quantity. So we will write r as it is, and in place of circumference it is given 154. After transposing all this constant value to right hand side, we are getting left only r. So what is the value of r at last? That is 24.5 meter. So after getting the value of radius, we can easily find out area, because formula for area is pi r square. Pi is a known quantity here, that is 22 by 7 r square. So 24 by 5, 24.5 can be written as 49 by 2, because when you will divide 49 by 2, you will get 24.5. So here pi r square 2 times r, and that much we are getting 1886.5 meters square. So this is the area of a given circular sheet. Now question number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meters. See here, diameter is given. So if we divide diameter by 2, we can easily get our radius. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. Pi is already given 22 by 7. Fencing means if you want to get a boundary. Okay, or we can say if you will simply bound the given region, that is called fencing. So here fencing means outer region, outer means circumference. Okay, so what is given? 2 pi r. For circumference, or we can say for fencing, we need circumference. So circumference is 2 pi r. If diameter is given, we can easily take out radius. So 2 pi and r. R means diameter divided by 2. So what is the circumference of that garden? That is 66 meter. But how many rounds he needs to take? He needs to take 2 rounds for fencing. So for first round, the value of fencing is 66 meter. For second round, that is 66 into 2, so 132 meter. So if total fencing, for total fencing, if we need rope, 132 meter, but for 1 meter cost it is given rupees 4. It means rope cost 1 meter, that is rupees 4. So how much 132 meter of rope costs? So we will multiply 132 by 4. So we are getting 528 rupees. So this is how we have completed our question number 4. So let us see question number 5. This is our question number 5. So see here what is given. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, radius of 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of a remaining sheet. See, this is a larger circle of 4 centimeter and this is a smaller circle of 3 centimeter. So if we remove smaller part, this part from larger one, how much area will remain left? That is our question. So outer radius of circular sheet means this larger one, that is 4 centimeter. Inner radius of the circular sheet means this smaller one, that is 3 centimeter. So remaining area, simply we will subtract inside area from the outside area. So pi r square minus pi r square, or we can say pi, this is larger radius, minus pi, this is smaller radius. So see here, pi value is given 3.14 as I have explained it earlier. R square, first r means larger r, minus pi r square, that is smaller r. So after getting what value we found 21.98 centimeter square. So this is the area remaining left after cutting out this smaller region from this larger region. Okay. Now see question number 6. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find the cost if 1 meter of the lace cost 15 meter. Again, Saima wants to put the lace on an edge of a circular table. Edge means sides. Sides means circumference. So diameter is given, so we can easily take out radius. So what is circumference? That is 2 pi r. So 2 into pi, r is not given, so diameter by 2. So here all the values we are having. So how much circumference we are getting? We are getting 4.71 meter circumference. For 1 meter, lace cost is rupees 15. So for 4.71 meter, what is the lace cost? That is 4.71 multiplied by 15. That is 70.65 rupees. So this is how we have completed our question number 6. Now see what is given in question number 7. See, this is our question number 7. Okay, what is given here? Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure, which is a semicircle including its diameter. Okay, perimeter of a semicircle. So what is the perimeter of a semicircle? 2 pi r is complete perimeter. And let me explain. Circumference and perimeter both are synonym. In case of rectangle or square, we are using term perimeter, and in case of circle, for same perimeter we are using term circumference. So this is a complete circle circumference. So if we divide it by 2, we can easily get the perimeter, or we can say circumference of a half circle, that is pi r. So here radius is already given 10. So pi r, here is pi r. So pi into r. If diameter is 10, then what is the radius? 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So 15.71 centimeter. This is the length of this curved part. Okay, after that, total perimeter means length of the curved part, length of the diameter. So what is the length of the curved part? That is 15.71. And what is this length of this part? Diameter we can say, so that is 10. So after adding both the values, we are getting 25.71 centimeter. Now let us see question number 8. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter. If the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square, take pi 3.14. Okay. If diameter is given, we can easily take out radius by dividing it with 2. Okay, area means pi r square. R square means 2 times r. So what is the value we are getting? 2.0096 meter square. For 1 meter square area, cost of polishing is 15. So for 2.0096 meter square, what is the cost of polishing when we multiply it by 15? So that is 30.14. So therefore it will cost rupees 30.14 for polishing such circular table. So this is our question number 8. Now let us see next question. What is given? See, this is our next question. What is here? Now question number 9. What is given in question number 9? Shajil took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into a shape of circle. Okay, length of the wire is given 44. Find the radius of that circle. Also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its sides? Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? Okay. So length means if a wire is bent into a circle, means this length is converted into this circumference. So what is the total length? Total length means 44, that is 2 pi r. So we don't know what is the radius. So 2 pi r equal to 44 because it is already given. So from there we can find out r. What is our r? That is 7 centimeter. After taking out radius, we can easily find out area, that is pi r square, which is 154 centimeter square. Okay, if the wire is bent into a square shape, then the length of each side would be, if total length is how much? 44. And if we will convert this total length into 4 sides, so total length divided by 4 sides. So each side is having 11 centimeter length. And we know that area of a square is how much? Area of a square is side into side. So that is 121 centimeter square. So here we can see which figure encloses more area. So here Circle encloses 154 and square encloses 121. So we can easily say that circle encloses more area than the square. Okay, here also it is written. Now see question number 10. From a circular card of a sheet radius 14 cm, two circles of radius 3.5 cm and a rectangle of length 3 cm and breadth 1 cm are removed. See, there are two circles which are removed and one rectangle that is removed. So find the area which is remaining left. It means from a complete circle we have to remove this two circle area and this one rectangle area. So what we will do? First we will take out larger, or we can say area of a bigger circle. So that is pi r square. Here for circular card, what is the radius given? 14, means bigger circle radius is 14. So pi r square, here you can see that is 616 centimeter square. Now from that we have to subtract this two circle and one rectangle. So if we take out one circle area, we will multiply it by 2 because both are same. So see here, area of two small circle pi r square multiplied by 2. Area of one circle is pi r square, but there are two circles, so we will multiply it by 2. Both are having same radius, so 2 into pi r square. R square means 2 times r. So that is 77 centimeter square. Now area of a rectangle, that is length into breadth. Length is also given, breadth is also given in question, so that is 3 centimeter square. Now from this larger area we have to subtract this two circle area and one rectangle area. So after subtraction we are getting 536 centimeter square. That is the remaining area of the sheet. Now see question number 11. Okay, what is given here? A circle, okay, see, a circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet of side 6 cm. What is the area of the leftover aluminium sheet? Means there is a rectangular sheet and from there a radius has to be cut out which is of 2 cm. So what is the area of a square sheet? That is side into side. Side is given 6, so total area of that square sheet is 36. And area of a circle, what is the radius of the circle that should be cut out? That is 2. Okay, so pi into r square. So r into r means 2 into 2. So that is 12.56 centimeter square, means from total square area we have to subtract this circle area. So 36 minus 12.56, that is 23.44. That is the remaining area. So this is how we have completed our question number 11. Now see next question. Now see, this is our question number 12 and 13. In question number 12, what we have to do? The circumference of a circle is given. Find the radius and the area of the circle. Again, this is quite similar to question number 2. Now question number 13, what we have to do? A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path of 4 meter wide. The diameter of this flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? Means again from this larger circle we have to subtract this smaller circle. Again you have to apply that same concept. Means area of larger circle or bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. This is how you can complete question number 13. Now let us see what is given in next question. See here, I hope all the questions are same. Question number 14. A circular flower garden has an area. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has radius 12 meter. Will the sprinkler water the entire garden? Okay, so what is the area of a circular garden? That is 314. So from there we can take out radius, which is 10. Okay, and radius of here, what is the radius of that sprinkler? That is 12 meter. So if radius of that garden is 10 meter and radius of that sprinkler is 12 meter, then yes, easily sprinkler will water the whole garden. Now question number 15. Find the circumference of the inner and outer circle shown in adjoining figure. Circumference, how we will find out? By using 2 pi r. Okay, now see, radius of the outer circle, that is 19. Okay, 19 minus 10, that is the radius of inner circle, so that is 9. So see here, radius of inner circle. If you know the radius, you can easily find out the circumference. Okay, now this is our question number 15. Now next question, let us see what is given in next question. This is our last question, I think. Question number 17. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? Okay, distance traveled by the tip of minute hand See, this is a circular, or we can say this is a clock and this is a minute hand. So it has to be moved like this, means that is completely a circumference. So what is the radius of that tip or minute hand tip? That is 15 centimeters. So 2 pi r, which is 94.2 centimeter. So this is how we can take out circumference, or we can say the area which has to be covered by the minute hand. Here we have completed our exercise 11.3 of class 7. Thank you students for watching this video.